Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. Today's video is going to be a day into a night routine video. The first thing I did when I woke up this particular morning, I went and I grabbed my Lutron wall plate. If you guys are new to the channel, I did change a lot of the light switch in the house. They were just the standard ones. I did not put the wall plates on those switch plates simply because the walls hadn't been painted. So the walls that are currently getting painted, and they have been painted, I'm changing them slowly as the rooms are getting done. So that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. I am in love with the new light switches, you guys. They look so good. If you haven't considered them, think about it. You may not want to go with Lutron, but you may want to find a different company. Once I got done with the wall plate, I sat around for about 30 minutes and then the doorbell rang and it was Tina. So Tina is from Budget Blinds. So all of my shutters upstairs are currently in and in my office, and I'm so excited. In today's video, I will not be sharing the actual shutters with you guys, but I wanted to let you guys know that things are definitely coming along. She did an amazing job. I did get the shutters that came with the 3-inch trim around, and this is the initial install, and then this is how the windows look, you guys. It just looks so good. The biggest thing is the sun isn't waking us up in the morning. I did have paper blinds over the windows, but there's absolutely no comparison whatsoever. They let in the perfect amount of light in the daytime, and then at night it gives such a great like blackout look, and it really looks really good outside, you guys. I stood outside and I looked at it and it just looks so pretty. So definitely, if you're in the process of looking for some window treatments, check Budget Blinds out. Again, today's video isn't the official video. I went on ahead and I straightened my son's room. I wanted to give you guys just a quick little pan of some of the items in his room. I did pick up some extra pieces. Most of the items are like collected from like Target, Home Goods. I'm also looking at a few pieces from Bed Bath & Beyond, but overall, I love his room so much. Over on the other side of the house, Noe is working on my fireplace. So yes, I have a full house. I am really excited. I want the house to have a look, and it's coming together. I know for some it's moving slowly, but it's moving right on time for me. Things just look really good, and I'm loving everything overall, and the fireplace looks so good, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. The fireplace insert is actually from the same company that I had the previous fireplace, which is Dipec. I'm gonna get a fireplace in my master bedroom. Oh gosh, you guys, it's so good. It's so good, and my shutters are being installed. You guys, it's so good. Okay, let me get some glamour shots real quick, okay? You know what? It looks so good.
You like it?
I love it. Do you see what I was saying now? But let me ask you a question. Because I think you have to do one more here. So So I can frame the TV, no?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Te va a hacer falta más madera. Voy a echarle una nomás. No, ya tengo uno. Pero que no lo baje porque no. Te llega a regresar. Ahí. Está toca. Yo voy a afinar.
The door, you guys, for my master bedroom, I think I'm gonna have to ixnay it just because I got a notice saying that it was further on back order. This is just what I'm dealing with right now, and honestly, I'm just kind of over it. That was like the last major thing. And then Tuesday, the electrician's gonna come out to do the electrical work. So I'm gonna have to go online so I could order the mount, the TV mount, and something else. So that way the wall can get drywalled in. That way he can, it's a whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to show you what the sheetrock is gonna look like. It's gonna be so pretty. These are my paper blinds. It's gonna be so good. It's so small, you guys. This is a 2x4. So look at that. It's gonna go over like so, like that, like this, like that. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's gonna be so pretty. I want you guys to see this because it's really not taking up any space on my wall. And it's gonna look so good. Oh my gosh. I may do like a facing on it or something. I don't know financially. I just don't want to spend a lot. All the wood and everything came to about, I think about $40, $50 or something like that. And then the labor, I have to pay for that. But this was definitely one of those upgrades that I would say it's worth it. It's going to look clean. It's going to look really nice. And then I think what I'm going to do also is take some artwork, probably 3, and just line it up on the sides right here. Like 1, 2, 3, something really pretty. If you haven't figured it out just yet, you guys, I'm trying to create like a whole little vibe in here. And I think it's going to look really good. I'm excited. It's going to look good. I actually took the fireplace from the tape that I had. I brought it down about 4 more inches. And the TV got brought down about 4 more inches. This is just the framing. But the TV is actually going to end up being like right here. The bottom part of it anyway is going to be on that line. But I wanted him to add the extra pieces. So that way when my guy comes in to do the mount, he can mount everything and screw everything in. I don't know how it's currently mounted in there, but hopefully when my electrician comes on Tuesday, he'll be able to give an idea. But the floor is swept, but it's not mopped. So I have to handle that situation. But you guys, it looks so freaking yummers. I cannot wait to share this space with you guys because it looks so good. You see that? Although I didn't do any physical work, I was extremely tired because I just had to clean all the dust and everything in the room. But before I go to bed, I have been reading Michael Todd. I really love his book. The book is called Relationship Goals. I'll leave it down below. I got it from Target. So it basically goes over like relationships and things you should work on and, you know, realistic goals. And I thought it was just a really great read. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about things you shouldn't be asking about. And my answer to that is it's definitely good to take time to yourself and figure out like what you want and what your expectations are before jumping into anything. So I really have been enjoying his book. I try to read about a chapter every single night, and it has been very, very refreshing. Like I said, even if you're in a relationship or you're single, I think it's just a really great read overall. I will be leaving it down below. But now that I am done, what I'm going to do is straighten up just a tiny bit. And I'm also going to charge up my phone, chargers, headphones, all that jazz. So that way tomorrow when I wake up for my work day, like I am fully ready. Swear I never lied to you. Swear I never You guys are still asking about this candle. I will leave it down below. The candle is from Jo Malone, and it is the Peony and Blush Suede. It is absolutely amazing. Within 5 minutes, it just engulfs the entire room in the bathroom, and I really, really do love this candle. I think it's worth it. It's a little pricey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's definitely worth it. I light the candle, I get the ceiling fan on low, and I start getting ready for bed. Today was an absolutely amazing day. It couldn't have gone like any better.
See, I would never do it to ya. What you did behind my back. Swear I'll never smile for ya. Swear I'll never be a fool. I'ma keep me far from you. Cause what you did was so uncool. I'm not looking for.
Now that I've set like a whole situation in the master, I am currently in the bathroom. I am grabbing my towel and everything to get ready to take a bath. Y'all, I am really, really tired. All the screaming and dancing and being excited about things that's going on will tire a girl out, and I am just tired. I don't even think it's 10 o'clock. I think it has to be like 9 o'clock. And I felt like it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was so tired. The box that I'm pulling out is my Lush box. I already hauled this box, but I haven't cleaned my bathroom just yet. Well, not really clean my bathroom. I haven't organized my bathroom yet. I plan on organizing it tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and hop into the shower. And now that I'm out, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth and start getting ready to hit the road. I'm going to bed, y'all. I'm not going nowhere. Oh God, I'm so funny.
I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. Wasted too much heart on you. Wish I learned to use my head. Cause right before I fell for you.
So now that I'm done tying up my hair and brushing my teeth and all that jazz, my hair was a little wet. I did wash it earlier. I'll leave a card for that video, that hair routine. That was actually the night before. I'm putting on some fragrances. That one is from Lush, and then of course I have to go in with my Jo Malone. Not to worry, I'm gonna do an overlay that way you guys can see it, but I love my Jo Malone perfume. I wear it to go to bed, I wear it to go out. It's just my thing right now. And then I also have the Crème pour la Colle, which is absolutely amazing. I love it.
Fell right into your bed. I'm not looking for revenge. I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end.
I actually washed my hands and then I started washing my face. I can always tell when I get forgetful and I don't use the Curology, because my face will get those like little breakouts here and there. I wouldn't consider my skin to be problematic, but I do have occasional breakouts. So I saw some stuff kind of coming up and I decided to go ahead and use the Curology. So now that I'm done with washing my face, I'm going to go in with the night cream. If you guys are interested in my pajamas, they are from Victoria's Secret. I got it on the clearance rack. I think it was like 12 bucks, like literally best $12 I probably spent, because it is super, super comfortable. I love it. I know there's some dresses that are made just like it, but it feels really, really good. I am gonna go to bed, you guys, and this is how I go to bed. I literally remove 1 or 2 pillows from the section and I sleep on one part of the bed. I'm gonna be honest, this particular night I did leave the candle on. So it is the next morning and I am up and I am opening up the window, letting some light in. It feels good to manually let light in the light not greeting me in the morning. The shutters have definitely made things so easy. Of course, the lovely sweater that I had on yesterday, I put that on, and I'm gonna make my bed, which literally, you guys, it takes me like 2 seconds to just make the bed. Oh my gosh, I'm laughing because like this is probably like the laziest sleeping situation ever, but it works. I just don't have to deal with having to make everything. It takes me 2.2 seconds and it looks as though like I really thought about it, but I really didn't. I just sleep in a very small part of the bed. But anyway, you guys, that is pretty much it for my day into night and into another morning routine again. What I'm going to do now, like I said, is just straighten up, which is what I do on the reg. I then will read a little bit more and I journal a little bit, pretty much kind of say what I did the day before and things that I could have changed or things that I could have done better. And then I go on my phone and I check emails, I check DMs, I check text messages, and I try to respond back to everyone, you know, and then I really try to implement giving myself a good hour in the morning to myself uninterrupted. Now, clearly, when the kids are home, that's a little bit different. But when I don't have the kids, I really try to pour into myself as much as possible. That's pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you next time. Before I go, honey, isn't my master bedroom such a vibe? Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. I can't get over how nice it looks. Anyway, you guys, bye.